In this tutorial I will show you how to clear your recent searches on Messenger. First, open up the Messenger app. Select the search bar at the very top. This will reveal your recent searches at the top. Tap on Edit. Now we have two options for deleting or clearing all our recent searches. First, we can remove any individual search by hitting the X to the right of it. Or we can clear our entire recent search history by selecting Clear All. There you go, our recent searches have now been cleared on the Messenger app.